In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the comment and markup tools in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're collaborating on a project or simply reviewing a document, these tools are invaluable for providing clear feedback and making annotations. So, let's get started. First, you need to open your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. If you haven't already, launch Acrobat and open the file you want to work on. This is your first step toward enhancing your document with comments and markups. Next, let's dive into the comment feature. You'll want to click on comment in the toolbar. This action activates your ability to place comments on the document. Once you're in comment mode, navigate to the spot where you'd like to add your thoughts and go ahead and click to insert your comment. Type in what you need to say and then hit post to make it part of the document. Comments are a straightforward way to add your input without altering any existing text. After commenting, let's explore the highlighting tool. This tool is excellent for emphasizing important text. Click on the highlight icon in the toolbar and you'll notice color options. Choose a color that stands out to you, then drag over the text you wish to highlight. This simple action will add a splash of attention-grabbing color to your document. Should you wish to further manipulate the text, consider using the strike-through or underline tools. These are found next to the highlight tool and are used quite similarly. Simply select the tool you need and then click and drag over the text you want to either strike out or underline. These tools are incredibly handy for editing proposals or marking errors in drafts. Let's move on to the drawing tool. This is perfect when you need to freehand or insert shapes directly into your document. Once you select the drawing tool from the toolbar, you're free to create lines, arrows, or shapes that make specific parts of the document stand out. If at any point you want to review or manage your comments, look no further than the right pane of your window. Click on the comments icon here, which opens up a comprehensive view of all comments made on the document. From this panel you can comb through the comments and even reply to or delete them as needed. Finally, to ensure all your hard work doesn't go to waste, you'll want to save your document either by clicking Save or choosing Save As from the menu in the top left corner. This will lock in all your changes and comments. And there you have it. You've now become familiar with how to effectively use the comment and markup tools in Adobe Acrobat, transforming your PDFs into dynamic interactive documents. Thank you for watching and happy annotating.